queens and princesses, I'm just gonna be showing you kind of tricks that I do on my hoverboard. So let's get my hoverboard. Here it is, right here. It's on already. It's all white. I haven't put a scratch or a dent in it. It's not dirty or nothing. So let's just start my tricks. So first, these right here, these lights is supposed to stay in front. Because if you ride at night, these help you like see it. It's like the lights on the cars. So let me show you right there. So when you step on it, it's a blue button. So here's one trick. It's easy. I just go forward, and backwards. And then I like to turn. Sometimes I like to this. And then sometimes I do it like with one foot. And when you do it, you want to make sure your foot, both your foot are in the same place.
Are you taking advantage of Theodore again? Making him do all your chores? Not yours, son. Learning opportunities. All designed to help Theodore.
That is some kind of tricks, and I like to go backwards like this.
I see you are ready for your next step.
Like
And this one's
this.
not a chore.
And I like to do the whip. Hey, I'm whipping. Pipe it up. Bring it down. And then that's when I like to go fast.
For your information, son.
And then I just get all. Thank y'all. If y'all want one, please subscribe. And if y'all like this, please subscribe.